Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and what's in the box? Boxes. So I got two boxes. Let's crack them open, see what it is. Going to go ahead and chop into these boxes, see what it is, and hopefully it's some fragrances. But if it's not fragrances, you guys won't see this video. If I can get into the box. Wow, they got this tape really tight. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Got paper. Oh. Okay, this is Wild Stone Ultra Sensual. After getting the Wild Stone and the bottle is bouncing around in here, if you can hear that. But after I got Wild Stone's, what did I get? Whiskey. Man, that's a really good fragrance. I was like, okay, I'm gonna check out one of the other ones. It became available in the United States, so I was like, okay, I'll check it out. All right, let's crack open this other box before we actually open that one. See what it is. See what this one is. If it's a fragrance, if it's not a fragrance, I'll just edit this out. I usually don't like to do too much editing, but if it's not a fragrance, I'll edit it out. Let's see, got paper, and we have, oh yeah, I was thinking about this one. This is Lattafa Dynasty. One of, I think it's supposed to have some kind of tea note, and I've been really attracted to the note of tea lately. So I was like, I'm gonna go pick it up, see how it is. Since I already got it in my hand, I'll go ahead and start with this one and see how it is. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so it's just a basic box. Actually, it feels a little flimsy, thinner than your average box. Almost feels like paper, not box. And the Lattafa symbol on the top, the ingredients and everything on the back. On the sides, there's nothing. And then on the bottom, they have the QR code and the scanning code. In the front, it's just the name of the fragrance, a little symbol here, and that's it. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it's a basic entry to the box. Ooh. Kind of smells like wood inside the box, which is kind of weird because that's not wood, it's cardboard. So here's the bottle. Pretty nice. Little extravagant with the the crown dynasty name there, and then Lattafa down there. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see how it is. Let's fix this sprayer. Okay. That smells oh, that kind of smells a little relaxing. I'm going straight to skin. Let me see how. That's a pretty nice spray. It's like a big puff. Oh, okay. Alcohol on the top. Let it air out a little bit. And oh yeah, the top does snap into place, so you can't pick it up from the top. Not bad. I like the atomizer coming all the way down to the bottom. Wow, it's filling the air. Wow. Oh yes, this is nice. This is nice. This is not a, it's a tea, but it's like it's not like your regular, like a green tea or lemon tea or anything like that. It smells like a designer tea, meaning something that you may pick up like while you're out, like a tea restaurant that sells just specialty teas. Like it smells like some kind of, I don't know, like a, yeah, just like a specialty tea. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. It's really kind of calming also, but I'm getting tea. I'm getting a little bit of woods also, and almost like a dustiness, like maybe from sandalwood. I'll check out the notes in a little bit. All right, so let's jump right into, what is this? Sensual, Ultra Sensual. Ultra Sensual. All right, let's see what this one smells like. The thing about these Wildstone, the bottles, the boxes, and the presentations, they're not really all that great. So, all right, and this one is a basic box. Pretty much same presentation, the name and the company on the front. On the side, they do have Wildstone on both sides. On the top, they have Wildstone again, just in case you forgot. And then on the back, they have the ingredients, the QR, well, the scanning code. And on the bottom, there's nothing. I have no idea what this one smells like. I don't even think I could find any reviews on it or anything. It's kind of a nice looking bottle. Wow, it's pretty nice. Look at that. That red with the gold lettering. I'm not sure if the gold is coming up because it's so a little reflective. But this is nice, and this is a parfum, ED parfum. So, ooh, top was on there pretty snug. Going right on the skin with it. Actually, let's get a couple sprays in it. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh, spicy. Oh, goodness gracious. That is spicy. Oh, man. Whew. Ooh, it's strong. Oh, my goodness. Oh, whew. Goodness. Ah, got in my mouth. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh, boy. Goodness gracious. Okay. All right. I had to let that air out a little bit. Let me spray on my hand. And this is a crazy sprayer. That is crazy. I'm not even gonna get near it. Look at the sprayer. That is crazy. That's a good sprayer, but it's better even because of this the scent. The top sits on there pretty snug. Oh yeah, this is strong. Man, this is strong. And spicy. Actually, okay, it's mellowing out a little bit. That first spray and the first, when you go into for the sniff in the beginning, a little powerful. It smells, this is gonna sound kind of weird. It smells like a little bit alcoholic, with like a sense of kind of like a bourbon or something like that. But when I say alcohol, I mean like a rubbing alcohol mixed with a bourbon. And even though that sounds like it doesn't smell good, this actually smells pretty good. It smells like and now it's become powdery. It's becoming a little bit powdery, like almost like an amber kind of vibe. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice now. Oh man, the opening is a little harsh, but this is nice. Oh man. Yeah, the longer it stays on my hand, the better it smells. This kind of reminds me, it doesn't smell like it, but it gives me the reminder of the same vibe that I got when I initially got Red Tobacco by Mancera. The opening of Mancera was like really harsh. It's kind of harsh, but after you have it on your skin for about 10 minutes, it gets really, really smooth. Yeah, and this one, oh man. Yeah, these are totally two different fragrances. This one is just relaxing, calming. This one almost gives off the vibe of like if you're gonna do like yoga, or if you just, Netflix and chilling. Well, just chilling with your significant other, just hanging out, doing nothing, just relaxing, enjoying each other's company. That's what this one kind of gives off. This one kind of gives off the vibe of like you're Netflix and chilling, but you're going to be moving to the bedroom later on. And I like it. It smells like it got some rose in it too. And amber. It's powdery. This one is a lot better than I was thinking, because I was thinking whiskey is so good that I was like, okay, the other ones are probably not all that great. But this is pretty good. It starts off really, really synthetic, but I'm digging it. Let's grab the notes and then we can wrap this up. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in. I grabbed the notes. The notes for Ultra Sensual, it's not really easy to find, but I've got some that sound like they may be what the notes are. But for Dynasty, here we go, Dynasty. This one was actually a little bit easier to find the notes. The notes for this one is ginger, bergamot, clary sage, rosemary, raspberry. The notes are ginger, bergamot, clary sage, raspberry, nutmeg for the top notes. In the middle notes, we have rooibos tea and suede. And then in the base notes, we have cedarwood, cashmere, and amberwood. And I pick up on the ginger and the bergamot and wrong hand. But that tea is just like a dry tea. It's not. This smells really good. It smells like something. Again, like I think I said before. Smells like something you would be using if you're for meditation or just relaxing or just chill. If you just want to give off a really nice calm vibe, if you're going around some people that, you're trying to calm them down or whatever, this is a nice relaxing vibe. And it kind of I'm picking up the cashmere now too. It kind of has this like a texture kind of vibe to the scent. Like it almost feels like you're rubbing up against some type of material, like a suede or something like that. Oh my goodness! Like your nose is moving up against it. It smells. This is good. This is not probably going to be for everybody. Everybody may not like this vibe, because this is something. This is something for it may be more of a personal scent. Like I probably will wear this a lot in the evenings when I'm getting ready to lay down or relax or whatever, or if I'm just doing something relaxing. But that is Dynasty, and then the next one, Ultra Sensual. This one is a complete different scent. Whew. Oh man, it smells like it changed again. Okay, let's see if I still have these notes. Okay, here we go. The notes for Ultra Sensual, top notes are lemon, rosemary, basil, and lavender. Okay, makes sense. The heart notes are cardamom, coriander, and juniper. Then in the base notes, we have dry amber, moss, and patchouli. Those sound kind of like those are probably the notes, because now it's, oh, wait a minute. It's getting sweeter. What was the other thing that was on there that was sweet? It's it's an amber, but it's starting to smell like a little bit of fruit with it too. This is really nice. This is really nice for it to be. This was not an expensive fragrance. It was pretty cheap. This is changing a lot, especially from the opening. That opening is not bad. It just caught me by surprise because it's really spicy and strong. It's like a punch to your face. But now this is all right. I like this. This is going to be nice. Both of these are good. I'm pretty sure this one may make my one of the favorite pickups of the year. I'm pretty sure, depending on how much the list is. And this one probably will make it too, depending on like if I do top 20 or top 50 or whatever. But yeah. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're with me talking about these two new fragrances that I just picked up. Dynasty and Ultra Sensual. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.